So, hello. It's been a really long time since I talked here or made a drawing video, and there is a reason behind it, which I will tell today while drawing this portrait. Um, I don't know where to start. So, here's my story. In May, there were my exams, as you can guess from these shorts, but I haven't revised anything at all and was forgetting most of things. It's been months since just studied full times because I was drawing all the time, for some time for commissions, the other time to improve and to get a job. Then in beginning of May month I got a job offer, but nothing was decided if I will get paid or not, if it is permanent or not. I was kind of working as intern in a game studio and designing panels, HUD, characters, game assets, and etc. But still, studio members were including me in my name in campaigns and introductions. Also, I knew the more I will draw, the more I will improve. I will learn how to work with game studios and will get closer to being a pro artist. So I just kept working with them, and to be honest, it was really fun and I learned a lot from them, and I improved a lot too. As you can see, this was my first panel design and this is my recent panel designs. Also, the studio members are really nice and easy to talk with. Also, I have a bestie there too, and I am grateful to her too. But exam date was coming near day by day, and there was a lot of work to do for the game studio, of course, and we have to end those things before game campaign ends. And I worked and studied a little bit, but I worked non-stop, and because of that I got like really tired and got sick before 1.5 week of my exam, and couldn't eat much and was vomiting stuff, and it was really horrible. And then one day my dad asked me if exams were stressing me out, so I said yes, because I can't do both things. It was really burning me out and I can't lie anymore. He said then no exam, it was going to a road trip anyways, but because he had a little idea of what I was doing, but he didn't really know what my job was, and I'm sure he didn't have much faith in this field like I do. And I knew he was stressed about my future when I dropped out, but won't tell me, so I won't be stressed too, which made me really depressed, and I cried alone a lot, and I'm just scared of making my dad upset. But still I kept working though. That month was the worst, but at the end of month I became official member in the game studio. But I couldn't tell my parents because I don't have salary at that time, and my first salary came in mid June due to some transaction problems. But after all efforts of our project leader, it worked. When I got my first salary, I went to market with my brother and we bought gifts for my parents, and I gave them surprise after coming back home, and they were really happy. I explained them what my job was. I showed them my work I have done until now, like the panel designs and character designs, asset designs, and other things, and to assure them so they don't worry about my career. So now I can work as a full-time artist without stressing about other things, of course. as our project leaders always says, it's just the beginning. I wanna be a pro artist, wanna learn 3D Blender and 2D animation and grow with the studio and make our games legend, and I'm ready for it. So this was my story, and that's why I'm not posting too frequently on my social medias. But still, I will try to upload like 2 to 3 shorts or maybe a video in a month from now. I still appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much for that. And thanks to all of my homies and bestie for being with me in my hard times. And thanks to my family who supports my dream. I'm really grateful because of you all. And the background music is by my homie Astro. Got his playlists on Spotify. I have put the link in the description box. He makes really peak music. So that's it. Okay, bye.